2026 Mazda CX-100 immediately catches attention with its vibrant red paint that accentuates the SUV's muscular stance and flowing lines. The sculpted hood, aerodynamic side panels, and bold front grille are hallmarks of Mazda's Kodo design philosophy, giving the car a sense of motion even when stationary. LED headlights and taillights not only enhance its modern look but also ensure excellent visibility for night driving. Chrome accents around windows and wheels subtly elevate the luxury feel, while the sporty roofline balances elegance with aggression. From every angle, the exterior showcases Mazda's commitment to style and performance. Interior features, step inside, and the cabin blends luxury, comfort, and functionality. Premium leather seats with soft touch surfaces ensure long drives remain comfortable, while spacious legroom in both front and rear seating makes family trips stress-free. Thoughtful ergonomics put controls within easy reach, enhancing convenience. Rear seats fold flat, expanding cargo space for luggage, sports gear, or weekend adventure essentials. The power liftgate simplifies loading, and smart storage compartments keep items organized. Overall, the interior creates a refined environment that balances sophistication with practicality. Dashboard and technology. The CX-100 features a driver-focused cockpit with an intuitive layout. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping your phone seamlessly connected. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster provides clear, customizable information at a glance, while a heads-up display projects essential data onto the windshield for safer driving. Wireless charging pads, multiple USB ports, and a premium audio system enhance convenience and entertainment. Advanced connectivity and over-the-air software updates ensure the system remains modern without frequent dealership visits. Engine performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Mazda CX-100 offers multiple engine options. The standard turbocharged 2.5-liter engine generates 310 horsepower, while the higher-end turbo variant reaches 350 horsepower for a more engaging, sport-oriented drive. Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system delivers excellent traction and stability in various weather conditions, from rain-soaked city streets to snowy roads. SkyActiv technology ensures precise handling and a smooth ride, combining agility with comfort. Acceleration is responsive, and the SUV handles corners with confidence, making it equally suited for daily commutes and spirited drives. Driving dynamics and safety. Mazda's focus on driving enjoyment is evident in the CX-100's nimble handling and adaptive suspension. Steering is precise, while suspension absorbs road imperfections, delivering a comfortable yet responsive ride. Safety features are comprehensive. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking all work together to protect passengers. This combination of safety and performance ensures a secure, confident driving experience in all situations. Cargo space and practicality. Cargo space in the CX-100 is generous, accommodating everything from luggage to outdoor equipment. The rear seats fold flat, providing ample room for larger items, while the power liftgate adds convenience. Additional storage compartments throughout the cabin allow for organized placement of smaller essentials like smartphones, wallets, or water bottles. This makes the CX-100 practical for both families and adventure seekers. Pricing and trims. The 2026 Mazda CX-100 starts at approximately $47,500 for the base model, with fully loaded versions reaching up to $62,000, depending on options and trim levels. Buyers can choose between select, preferred, and signature trims, each offering distinct features and optional packages. This pricing positions the CX-100 competitively among premium midsize SUVs, offering a balance of luxury, performance, and technology at a reasonable value. Fuel efficiency and environmental options. Despite its powerful engines, the CX-100 delivers impressive fuel efficiency thanks to Mazda's engineering and SkyActiv technology. Hybrid variants may be available, offering environmentally conscious drivers reduced emissions without sacrificing performance. This allows the CX-100 to combine power, refinement, and eco-friendliness in one package. Overall impression. The 2026 Mazda CX-100 in red is more than just a car, it's an experience. Its bold exterior, luxurious and spacious interior, advanced technology, and powerful engines make it a standout choice in the midsize SUV segment. Whether for daily commuting, weekend adventures, or long road trips, the CX-100 provides style, performance, and comfort in equal measure. For anyone seeking a premium SUV that combines aesthetics, driving enjoyment, and practicality, the CX-100 deserves serious consideration.